Hey, what's up, everyone? This is the lower level bathroom here at Plaza Cumbres in Monterrey, Mexico. And hello. And then we have your sinks here. I have to talk over the music because we're getting copyright. These are Helvex. These are the Sloan Flushing from last time. And we have like at least 5 flushless urinals. So we have all the commodes are Vortens with the automatic sensor. And they were originally with Helvex, but they got replaced with these. So all right, here's the third one. Also, Vortens, the Vortens Tornado. All right, and I'm having to talk about the music to prevent copyright, and then it's between these and this flush sensor. Alright, and here's the last one, which is also a warrant. So we have this sensor. Alright, well anyways, there you have it. And that's it.